3.7 liter 07 Dakota. It's changing my PVC valve. Funny thing is you see it, right? And after you split your fucking fingernail, yeah, I've done hurt myself. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, check this shit out. This fucker. Oh, come on, I don't even get a show. It's loose. See that? See that? This entire fucking time, my PVC valve is basically fucking unscrewed. Ooh. Guess who's mad? Look at all that. That is all blow by. I mean, yeah, it's dirt and shit, but that's oil. That is just blowing up. Look, my alternator even. Look at that. Yeah, this shit's original from the other motor. All I did is get a replacement on top of the block, like the intake and the passenger side head, driver's side. Or maybe it was driver's side. I don't remember. The bolts are pretty rusty already. I don't know. Well, maybe it had to have been driver's side because it's got the EGR delete and everything for it. And it's even got the manifold. Oh, never mind. But yeah, changed the style of clamp. I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but I hate these type of clamps. I don't know. Oh, and that explains why that one coil back there was melted. Yep. It explains it. It explains why it has a melt. Somebody said something was getting hot back there. Oh, something was escaping. They said spark plug or something, I think is what they said. But come to find out, it was that. It was heating up my fucking coils. Oh, I hate all this shit. This shit I need to buy more of. It's all brittle, and they fucked it all up, swapping it all over. And it's dirty. Some of it's new, but yeah, figured I'd just share that with you guys. That is just some BS. But yeah, that's your PVC valve. If you're blowing oil out your seals, it's either plugged up or not working, or it's stuck open. And either way, you're gonna burn oil or you're gonna blow oil. At least that's what I was told. And that's usually what happens on the older trucks. Could explain why the rear seal is somewhat leaking. Or that, no. Yeah, I don't know. Either way, stick to what you know. Go with your gut. Ah, shit. Which one is that one go to? Remind me, you guys, you're not much help. Nobody can talk. And nope, I can't hear anybody. Because this would be a great help for reminding me to hook these hoses and shit back up. But no, I can't hear anybody scream at the screen. Oh yeah, here's my EGR plug right there. I just need to figure out how to bypass it. Because there's nowhere to put EGR in back there. Nowhere. It's all bare. At least as far as I know. There's nowhere. I don't even know where the fuck it would go. There's just no spot for the EGR to go. And this goes my air box. Yeah, that goes to air box. Man, does that hurt. I feel like a girl now. How they split their fucking nails and shit. I hate this shit. My hands always getting scratched, banged, mangled. I tell you what, in the cold, it's actually 30 degrees today. It still somewhat hurts and it smarts when you bang your hand or something. But nothing like it was before. It was just real bad before. Yeah. I probably should clean that throttle body up, but yeah, ain't too bad. What do you think? Looks like shit. Okay. we're gonna hook it all back up and fire it up. All right. Camera. Lights. Action. Oh yeah. Just show you guys a cool little trick. You can jump your switch to where you don't have to push down your clutch, but of course, make sure you're in neutral. And ooh. Look at that high idle. Ooh. It's never revved that high idle. Ooh, is that good? That's new. A cold start. It's never gone over $1,000. That's new. Or if that's good. Ha! Oh, shit. Lifter knock in there for a real long time. Oh yeah. Like the cool little lights right there. That looks something like that. They're fairly bright for this little cigar. Should be around for a good minute. Oh, probably too late for whatever my issues were. Fixing that oil blow. Yeah, like my work shit. Real shitty in here. My back room, jacks, vacuums, clean food. All kinds of nice garbage. Can't wait for this to drink. Yeah. My poor tree. My privacy fence. My poor privacy fence. Alright guys. That kind of concludes the 3.7 liter PCV valve. The precious cunt valve that comes loose somehow.